We're going to finish off this chapter and the course by seeing how automated hyperparameter tuning for an Xgboost model works within a scikit-learn pipeline. Once you have this down, you'll be able to make some of the most powerful, well-tuned machine learning models today in an automated, reproducible manner. We will again use the Boston housing dataset to motivate our use of pipelines and hyperparameter tuning. As always, we first import what we will be using. The only difference is, now we also import randomized search CV from the scikit-learn model selection submodule. We then load in our data and create our feature matrix X and target vector Y, and also create our pipeline that includes both the standard scaling step and a base Xgboost regressor object with all default parameters. At this point, you need to create the grid of parameters over which you will search. In order for the hyperparameters to be passed to the appropriate step, you have to name the parameters in the dictionary with the name of the step being referenced, followed by 2 underscore signs, and then the name of the hyperparameter you want to iterate over. Since the Xgboost step is called xgb_model, all of our hyperparameter keys will start with xgboost_model__. In the example, we will tune subsample, max depth, and call sample by tree, and give each parameter a range of possible values. We then pass the pipeline in as an estimator to randomized search CV and the parameter grid to param distributions. Everything else is as you've seen before, with appropriate scoring and cross-validation parameters passed in as well. Once that's done, all you need to do is fit the randomized search CV object and pass in the X and Y objects we created earlier. Finally, once you fit the randomized search CV object, you can inspect what the best score it found was and convert it to an RMSE. You can also inspect what the best model found was and print it to screen. Okay. Last coding exercise of the course. Let's finish this up.